Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some plants that I got from plantsbymail.com. You may have seen a few other videos in the past on my channel where I've unboxed some things from them. They always send out really nice things. I actually did a tour of their place in a video in the fall. I'll link that video down below. Also, we're in the middle of a giveaway for 3 $50 gift cards from plantsbymail.com. I announced it this past Sunday. You have to make a comment on last Sunday's video for a chance to win. I'm going to link that video down below, okay? And I'm also going to link the Facebook post, and also you can go over to Instagram. If you make a comment on the Instagram post from last Sunday, the Facebook post, and the video from Sunday, you'll be entered for the one of 3 of the gift cards. I'm going to give away one on each of those platforms, so that'll enter you 3 times. Easy for me to say. So I'm going to get started unboxing the things that they sent me that I'm going to be putting into this yard here in the next week. If you watch my Wednesday update videos, you'll see these pieces actually go in the ground next week. They do a great job of boxing everything up. They put these little tabs on the side that actually hold right here, that actually hold the container down into the bottom of the box, just in case the box ends up upside down, just like that. It won't go to the top. And so we just undo these tabs just like this, and just slice the bottom of the box. That's where they slide out of. And get him open. Let's see. And we'll just pick the box up. And all right, this is a dwarf Agapanthus called Indigo Frost. I'll show you the tag on this one right here. This one will be blooming pretty much all summer long. I have 3 of the other Agapanthus that I put in the ground on this past week's video, and I ordered this dwarf and one more you'll see in just a minute. Let's see. They also put them in these plastic bags, which are great because they keep most of the soil in the pot. But when you get them, make sure you go ahead and slide these plastic bags off. We don't want any sunlight on that clear plastic. What's up next? Okay, same thing. I'll undo these tabs right here, and I can see the other Agapanthus is blooming here. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, what do we have in this one? Oh man, look at this little blue. This one's called Little Blue Fountain Agapanthus. Look at the color on this thing. And like I say, this one's a lower growing one, a more compact Agapanthus. This thing will bloom all summer long. I had this one at the old house. I've got 2 Salvia. One I haven't opened the other one yet. This is a saucy red Salvia. This thing will bloom this hot, just bright red all summer long. Hummingbirds will absolutely go crazy for this plant. So I got those. Let me go ahead and cut the bottom out of this next one here, pull the tabs, and let's see, one more tab. And in this one, I got the saucy wine Salvia here, and it has a wine color flower on it. Again, this one and the red one will bloom nonstop all summer long. They'll bloom until frost. I'll have to cut them back a couple times during the season because they'll get pretty big, but super easy, full sun plants that will have hummingbirds on them constantly. And I got the Platinum Beauty Lamandra. You may have seen this video back at the old house. I'm going to put this in a container. This is a really beautiful variegated grass that will get fuller during the season in a container. It'll be quite showy. I'll put something in the container that will spill over, but have this variegated Lamandra, Platinum Beauty Lamandra, as the centerpiece for that. And last but not least, I got a couple 2-gallon plants here that I'm super excited about. I already put one Illicium back here along the fence, and I ordered 2 additional Illicium. The one I put in so far is the Florida Illicium, the Florida native. Hopefully my table is adequate for these two very large plants. Okay, all right. So you guys have probably seen my Florida Sunshine Illicium at the old house. I had to have one here as well. Beautiful plant. This gold foliage on it. Evergreen. I can smell it. Has that licorice scent to it. Really, just that's a great looking plant. And then I got a Miss Scarlet Illicium, and this one's actually in bloom now with the red flowers. So that'll give me 3 Illicium along that back line back there. I love these things. I've got a white flowering one, a red flowering one, and a variegated one now. And they're just perfect for that part shade conditions that I have across the back. And if anybody ever decides to build back here behind me, they will have I'll have a nice existing border. So as always, I'm super impressed with the things that plantsbymail.com sends me, and I'll continue to order from them in the future for sure. And don't forget to go back, like I say, Sunday's video, last Sunday's Facebook post, and last Sunday's Instagram post, and make sure you make some kind of comment on those. It doesn't matter what the comment is at all, but that'll get you entered to win those gift cards. And this coming Sunday's video is when I'll do the drawings for those. Thanks for watching.